Hi folks, just a wee quick video. I've been on YouTube and speaking to some other growers, and I found out from, is it Bill and Val today, that you can have early peas, mid peas and main crop peas. Well, I didn't know that, so I am now going to try and grow some peas. And this is, all this is sieved multi-purpose compost. I'm just putting a wee bit of water in it just now just to get it kind of wet. And I've got two types of peas. First one is alderman, which is a long type that you need a trellis for, and the other one is called dalkeet, I believe, which is a sugar snap pea. And they're a bush variety, so I'll be growing the two of them. So the first one going in is alderman, and I got my seeds from Premier Seeds, 360 seeds for, I think it's £1, 99p. Can't remember, to be honest. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke a couple of holes with a pencil, two in each cell, which will give me 20 plants. Which will do to begin with. Now, I didn't soak these seeds. I wasn't sure if I was supposed to. So maybe in a week's time I may try another, or a couple of weeks' time I may try some more. But I'll soak those ones just to see if there's a difference. And I've been making a few additions to my grow cupboard. The first light I had in that I didn't think was good enough, and I replaced it with an actual grow light. I'll put that back in. I'll show you that once I've finished this. And I've added another addition as well. Can I get these open? Well, these peas are really good because they don't open. There we go, I think. Yeah. So, alderman peas, 306. Oh, alderman 360 seeds. I'm going to grow 20. 1, 2. The other seedlings that I've started, in my opinion, I think are starting to get leggy again, and I don't know. I bought a grow light to see if it would help. Maybe I'm just doing something wrong. So if I am doing something wrong and you would like to help, you are quite welcome to leave a wee comment below. And let me know if there's a way I can fix things. Okay, that's the alderman. Now we do the sugar snap peas. These are a different colour. These are a lot greener in colour than the alderman. Don't know, but we'll see what happens. Again, I'm just going to put in 2 in each cell. And that'll give me 20 of these. Last year, I tried growing peas, but it was just, you know, like the dried peas you buy from the supermarket. Grow them, and I really enjoyed them, which is why I decided to buy pea seeds this time round. And I was watching Charles Dowding on his no dig thing, and he grew alderman peas, which made me think, right, okay then, so I'll just grow alderman peas. So I'll just tap these in a wee bit. And we'll cover them up. Hi, I must apologise. Seemingly my SD card is full and I had to put in another one. I'm using my phone to record the videos, and obviously I'm not been deleting the ones that I've already put up on YouTube. That's the problem, I think. So as I was saying, as you can see over there, there's some sweet peas coming up. These are the tall varieties and these are the bush varieties, and they've started to show. This is the but adaptation I made. This is a fan out of an old laptop, and this is a 5.2 volt power supply. Joined them up, plugged it in, and if I adjust it correctly, I don't know if you can see that, but the seedlings are starting to move with the wind, and I think that's what's been really needed, because even with the grow lights, I mean, is that leggy? I don't know. If somebody can comment and let me know. I think it is. I don't know what to do about it, so I've added this. I might lower this light or lift that up. And you can see things are moving about with the wee fan. Anyway, that's another video. Thanks for watching. Please, please, please stay safe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.